Welcome back to Smokies Plus. In this video, we're here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We're going up the skylift to Anakeesta to try the area's newest mountain coaster, the Hellbender. Let's get started.
Like this, smooth.
Real smooth?
Very smooth. You can go wide open, no problem.
All right. Here we go. I love it. It comes right into a hill to start. Both of Anakeesta's coasters are that way. Here we go. Well, that's a pretty good hill. All right, here's the little winder action. Oh gosh. Here we go. Oh, feel them G's. Little slow down right there, little manual slow down. I like that side winding. All right. Oh gosh, the abrupt stop there. How's it going? All right, initial reactions. Views are pretty. I love that it's a little bit different in that it has those little winding elements that are kind of like the salamander. I realized that what they're doing there was really cool. Overall, it was fun. If you're up here and you're looking for something extra to do, I would recommend it. It's not the most thrilling coaster that's here in the Smokies, but is it worth the cost? Yeah, I would say so. Definitely something that you would want to do and check off your list. But Hellbender here at Anakeesta, the final mountain coaster, finally. So next, I will be ranking all of the mountain coasters in the area, from first to worst. So be looking out for that. But this has been another video from the Great Smoky Mountains. I hope you have a great day. God bless.